Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the aestura Atobarrier 365 cream. This product retails for $33. I'm very excited to be trying out this product because so many people have recommended me try it. I've seen so many people talking about it on social media, and so I really wanted to form my own opinion on it. I've tried not to look up too much about it just to keep all my preconceived opinions away so I can go into this product and fully look for the things that I am with it. This is supposed to be a richer fatty acid, lipid, and ceramide moisturizer that is supposed to instantly soothe dry skin. So I'm excited to see what I notice with it. I am acne prone, so I'm not sure if it will work for that. Now, I couldn't find whether or not this specific product was vegan. Aestura is not a cruelty-free brand, but this product is fragrance-free and alcohol-free. The highlight ingredients include ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The big things I'm going to be looking for with it include what finish does it leave on the skin and does it cause any acne. I also want to see how nourishing it is for the skin. As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, and this is also going to be my first impression with this product. Let's see what all the hype's about. I have been hearing so many people rave about this product. I've gotten some messages. I know that this is a little bit more expensive. I used to love the Ilyun ceramide cream, kind of reminding me of that, at least on paper, but oh wow. Okay, so that feels like butter going in on the skin. That blended in so nice. It also gave a nice lightweight finish. I was worried about this product feeling a little bit more heavy. That's very interesting. On my fingers, it feels lightweight, but when I put it on the skin, like the area where I put it feels very nourished. So let's see how it feels on my face. I'm just gonna take out a little bit. Now, it is the dead cold of winter right now, so I love using these style of products multiple times a day in my drier areas, say this area and my nose. Fragrance free. Wow. Okay. If this doesn't cause acne, this is going to be a game changer because this is so lightweight, but I feel it soothing. Like instantly my skin just feels soothed, and I didn't even realize, but I was dealing with a little bit of dryness around that area. And I noticed when a moisturizer is like soothing a dry area, it just like takes the instant relief. And that's exactly what I felt with this. Nice radiant glow. I would definitely say it is on the dewier side, but not crazy considering all the claims of this product. I mean, I was worried it was gonna be a little bit dramatic, which it is still. That is pretty, it gives a pretty dewy finish. But feel-wise, I've never felt something this lightweight, yet almost like butter for the skin. Like, it's wonderful. It feels great. I will see if it feels greasy over extended time. Some moisturizers like this either get more greasy or they dry down a little bit and I need to reapply. I guess it all depends on also what my skin is like. I don't know if oily skin would like this. That's kind of like maybe situationally. This may be a situational product. Like I know sometimes when I am more oily, I love to go in with a moisturizer like this at night, and sometimes I don't need this much throughout the day. And that may prove to be true during this trial, but it is 13 degrees outside right now. I'm sure I will be layering in this product, but anyway, really great first impression. I'm excited to see what else I noticed. I'm excited to see how it performs for my skin, and the biggest thing is I'm interested to see if it causes acne. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This honestly felt like butter for the skin. It was a really beautiful moisturizing experience, and I found that I was able to use it all over my face and it not feel too heavy. It has a really unique ability to blend into the skin like I said, like butter, but not be greasy, not be heavy, but be extremely nourishing. And I think that's due to all of the great nourishing and balancing ingredients that they have in here. I also noticed that I didn't experience any breakouts or any new acne, which was huge because I was worried about that. With the richer texture of this moisturizer, it's really a gamble whether or not I will experience breakouts from it, and I was very glad that I didn't from this formula. I do feel like it is worth it. I've seen various different price points on many different Korean skincare websites, usually averaging anywhere from $20 to $30, which is not a terrible price point. Definitely a little bit more expensive, but I can't think of any moisturizer off the top of my head at least that could be an alternative to the results that I saw with this. The other ones that I can think of are either more expensive or right around the same price point as this product. I don't really feel like I have any other alternatives, at least right now, to this product that didn't break me out and also showed the same nourishing benefits. So I do feel like it is 100% worth it. Definitely something that I applied in my more dry areas more often. I was very lucky that I got to try out this product at a time where the weather was both really cold and also really warm. I mean, that's the beauty of winter to spring, and so I feel like this was great in my more dry areas specifically. I can't testify for when my skin is a little bit more oily. I'm not sure if oily skin would benefit from this, at least as a day cream. Maybe good to use as a night cream because it is really restorative, not too heavy on the skin, but I can definitely tell it is a richer moisturizer. They include great ingredients in here, and I feel like it really justified and stood for itself with performance. So I would 100% recommend trying out this product. It is a really great formulation. I feel like it is worth all of the hype, and I saw nothing negative with it. It just is a little bit more expensive for a Korean skincare product, but it is extremely nourishing, and I would 100% recommend it because I saw great things with this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.